ever started speaking a new language and felt stuck? You know the words, but when you try to talk, nothing comes out? Don't worry, you're not alone. Many learners feel this way, but the good news is fluency is possible, and today I'm going to show you how. My name is Mina, and my mission is to help English learners speak with confidence. I connect learners with speaking practice so they can move from elementary level to advanced. In this video, I'll share what really works to improve fluency based on my sessions with students. You'll see practical tips, common mistakes, and simple changes that bring big results. So if you want to know how to make real progress in speaking, stay with me until the end. I'll give you clear steps you can use right away in your own learning journey. Let's talk about the beginning. Most learners start with the same struggles. For example, some students are afraid of making mistakes. They say, I know grammar, but I can't speak. Others speak, but they stop too often because they are searching for the right words. And many students feel nervous, thinking, what if I sound silly? These feelings are normal. What helps is motivation. I often ask learners, why do you want to be fluent in English? Some say, I want to study abroad. Others say, I need English for my job, and some just want to travel and connect with people around the world. Knowing your big reason gives you energy to keep going, even if it feels hard. So ask yourself, what is my reason for learning English? Write it down and keep it in your mind. Now let's talk about practice. Fluency doesn't come from only reading books or doing grammar exercises. It comes from using English in real conversations. In my sessions with the students, we often choose a topic like daily routines or future plans. For example, a student might say, yesterday I go to supermarket. I helped them in the moment. Not I go, but I went. Yesterday, I went to the supermarket. This small correction right inside the conversation helps the learner remember better. It's like learning while doing. The most important part is don't be afraid to speak. Mistakes are not failures. They are steps toward fluency. Every mistake is a chance to improve. With practice, students change. At the start, they speak slowly and carefully. Later, they start speaking faster with more confidence. For example, a student who once said, I go school yesterday can later say naturally, I went to school yesterday and I met my friends. Of course, journey is not always smooth. Sometimes the students feel stuck on the way. They think, I'm not improving anymore. At this moment, changing your method helps. For example, watch English videos and repeat sentences out loud. Write a story, a short daily journal in English. Or record yourself speaking and listen to yourself to notice mistakes. These small habits keep progress moving and build confidence step by step. Before finishing, let me give you some clear tips that you can use today. Speak often. Even 5 to 10 minutes a day can make a big difference. Don't fear mistakes. Each mistake is your teacher. Find real practice. Talk with friends, join online groups, or record yourself. And of course, stay motivated. Remember your reason for learning English and stick to it. Now it's your turn. In the comments below, share your own language learning goal. Why do you want to become fluent? If you want more support, check out my other videos and resources where I guide my students step by step on their fluency journey. Together, we can unlock your fluency. See you in the next video.